So, welcome students. Today we are going to discuss capacitance due to a wire. Okay. So this one is a BYQ from GATE 2013 and also a BYQ of CS Magnet. And most important formula we are going to clear from this topic, or we can say a case. Okay. So without wasting any time, let us discuss. First of all, these two are finite wires, okay, whose radius is small r, okay, and separated by a distance d. Okay, now, so we are going to find out capacitance due to this wire. What will be, okay? So first of all, we need to memorize that electric field due to a cylinder is how much? 2 k lambda upon r, okay, because the wire is basically a cylinder, okay? So due to a cylinder, electric field is 2 k lambda upon r. If you don't know how to derive 2 k lambda upon r, I can make another video on this formula. So moving on forward, our main objective is find out the capacitance. So first of all, we are going to find out electric field due to this wire, electric field due to this wire. Let us say this one is A and this one is B. So now we know Q is equal to C, and from this C is equal to Q by B. So from electric field we are going to find the potential, and from potential we can find out capacitance. Okay. So due to this wire A, electric field will be 2 k lambda upon x. Okay, I think this is clear. Due to this wire, electric field will be 2 k lambda upon t minus x. So electric field will be 2 k lambda upon d minus x. Okay, and potential difference will be what? Potential difference we can write VA minus VB is equal to integration E into dl, and it will be 2 k lambda upon x plus 2 k lambda upon d minus x. Okay. So now I think this is clear to all of you. Now the question is, most difficult part is this, that what will be the limits. Okay. So limits will be, this distance is basically a distance between wire A to wire B. So limit will be, this distance is r, okay, so this distance will be d minus r, so that we can cover whole distance, okay, from center of first one to second one. So limit will be small r to, this one is d, so excluding this r we can write d minus r. That's obviously because d minus r plus r will be d, okay, that is this distance. So limits will be small r to d minus r. I think this is clear. So यहाँ पर 1 upon x और यहाँ पे d minus x, okay, this is dr, which means dx, okay, and we know integration of 1 upon x will be ln x, okay. So the integration will going to look like 2 k lambda ln d minus r upon r plus ln r upon d minus r. Okay, after putting this value we will get this expression. Now putting all this value, okay, I think this is minus, it will be minus. I am not going to calculate this because it will take so much time and so much efforts, and we cannot complete it in this board. So I think this will be clear to all of you. Now by if we change this side plus, that means minus sign will go to log, and it will inverse this function. That means if we take it as a plus, then we can write ln d minus r upon r, which is basically this quantity. So it will be multiplied by 2. So it will be 4k lambda d minus r upon r. So half task our is completed. Now we have the potential difference, and we know capacitance can be given by Q upon V. That means capacitance is equal to Q upon VA minus VB, and it will become Q upon 4k lambda d minus r upon r. Okay? Now put the value of constant k, which is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and lambda we know lambda means basically lambda is equal to charge per unit length. Okay, and by doing so we are only putting the value of k. So that 4 pi epsilon naught q upon 4 lambda d minus r upon r, and also provided the value of lambda. So 4 gets cancelled out, pi epsilon naught q, lambda will be q upon r. So f upon q, and this is ln. Okay, this is log. I forgot about it. Okay, so ln d minus r upon r. So this q2 will get cancelled out, and we will get pi epsilon naught l upon ln d minus r upon r. This is our final answer. But if we going to derive, suppose that the distance between two wires, the distance between these wires d is so much large. That means if d is greater than small, so that we can d minus r is nearly will equal to d, because d is very much larger. So that we can simplify this further. We can write pi epsilon naught l upon ln d minus r. So that's it. I think it will be helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.